Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HubSpot workflows to sync contacts and deals, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to the automation section in the main menu. From there, select workflows to begin creating your workflow. Click on the Create Workflow button at the top right corner of the page. Choose whether to start from scratch or select a template based on your needs. If starting from scratch, select Start from Scratch and then click Next. Now, you need to set the workflow type. Choose either contact-based or deal-based workflows depending on your primary focus. After selecting the type, give your workflow a clear and descriptive name. Click Create Workflow to proceed to the next step. On the workflow canvas, click on the plus icon to add your first action. Choose if/then branch to segment your contacts or deals based on specific criteria. Define the criteria for the branch based on the contact or deal properties. Once you set your conditions, click Done to save your changes. Next, add actions for each branch by clicking the plus icon within the branch. Choose actions like send email, assign owner, or update property based on your objectives. Configure your actions by filling in the necessary details specific to each action. If you want to sync contacts and deals, add an action to create or update a deal. Choose the Create Deal action and configure the deal properties. Ensure that the deal stage, amount, and associated contact are correctly specified. Continue to build the workflow by adding additional actions as needed. You can create multiple branches to handle different scenarios within the same workflow. To ensure proper syncing, regularly review and tweak your workflow settings. Once satisfied with your workflow configuration, click the Review button at the top right. Check for any potential issues or warnings that may need your attention. Once everything looks good, click Turn On to activate your workflow. Your workflow is now live and will automatically sync contacts and deals according to the rules you've set. Regularly monitor the performance of your workflow in the Analytics section. Make adjustments based on the data and feedback to optimize your workflow further. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.